There are 4 classes of trams based at Southbank Tram Depot. The A Class tram built between 1984 and 1985. This is tram 299 in Yarra Trams livery, and tram 241, which is actually a life extended tram in PTV livery. The A Class tram primarily runs on Route 12 between Victoria Gardens and St Kilda via Collins Street City, but the tram can also run on routes 30, 58 and 96 if there is a shortage of low floor trams. Here's a walk through tram 299, a non-life extended A Class tram. In comparison, this is tram 241, a life extended A Class tram. This is the E Class tram running out from Southbank Tram Depot. E1 and E2 class trams are both based at Southbank Depot and run on routes 30, 58 to 96, and any special events such as football at the MCG and Marvel Stadium in Docklands. This is E2 6092. Unlike the C2 trams, this is a 3-module low floor tram. This is the Alstom Citadis C2 tram, also known as the Bombardier tram, because when introduced in 2008 they were actually on loan from Alstom in France and the livery was actually yellow, so from that time onwards they were known as a Bombardier tram because of its yellow livery. This is 5123 Bombardier 1, which was actually the first introduced into service back in 2008. It's a 5-car section tram and around 34 meters long, which is actually around about the same length as the 3-section car E1 and E2 tram. There are 5 C2 Bombardier trams, which the government purchased outright in 2013 for the state of Victoria. These 5 trams run on Burke Street, Route 96 services only. This is the W8 refurbished, rebuilt W Class tram, which is used exclusively on the City Circle tourist route, Route 35. 946 entered service back in 2013. We now have 12 of these trams, with the last one finally entering service in 2021. This is a look inside tram 957. Trams are rebuilt at Bendigo workshops, with the exception of 946, which was a prototype built at Preston. Brand new driver controls, the actual controller and the brake handle along with the gong and sound button remain the same. The actual passenger saloon was actually rebuilt, refurbished and replaced with brand new interior furniture. And the old DC series and parallel resistor notches were actually replaced with a chopper control type unit when converted from the old burgundy tram to the green W8.